The fish.
It's been left by the, well, I think a bird has taken
Ah,
it
yeah,
out
or
of the box.
the box.
See the box there, it's full of them.
Yeah. There.
I think a bird has taken it out.
We are here in Eyemouth. Ah, it's them.
Look in this box.
Yeah, so many. Yeah, look, the fish. It's nice. Oh, the fish. So many here, the fish.
When you get it, let us know what it is. But I want to try.
There's a little fishing boat there. It's quite stumpy, isn't it? It's very short. Should not fall over the edge.
Ooh. But that fish is another fish. Another fish.
There's a box.
Another box of fish.
Yeah. So they're seeing they can peck through the holes to get to the fish that's in the boxes.
Ah, that's for the fish and chips.
So
No.
you can just see from the edge.
Oh, yeah, my love. Oh,
See the eyes
so
and that.
fresh. Fresh. No? See the eyes of the fish. Yeah.
Obviously the boxes on top are empty just to kind of try to protect them a little bit from the birds. Oh, so the cygnets in there.
Oh.
Mum and Dad swans and 4 cygnets.
You can smell the fish. The fresh fish. Oh, see? The fish. Oh.
Yeah.
But they cannot eat. No.
Well, they get
That's
a
from the
mouthful. Well, that's it.
That's from the box.
I don't know. I assume so.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
I assume so.
I think it's. Get that.
Another one.
Yeah. Yeah.
You get the swans.
Yeah. The cygnet.
The cygnet scaring the seagulls.
Swans here.
There's
We are here in Scotland.
some sort of
But-
exercise class going on in there. Look.
Oh yeah. We stop here first here at the Eyemouth because our hotel is the check-in is 3 o'clock later.
I stopped so you could video.
Yeah. And we are here at the marina.
Eyemouth Marina.
Eyemouth Marina. Ay, my love, I saw the fish there. Because there is a ring.
Yeah, yeah.
No?
You see the rings.
Ring like that.
You see the little castle thing there.
Yeah.
It's probably some sort of gatehouse.
It's nice weather today here in Scotland. So, it's not malamig because it's a sunny. The shops over there. Not shops, like a
Cafes and
cafe. Yeah.
See the little van here.
Oh, so cute.
That's like a tricycle. But it's,
What's the sign, my love? Bicycle.
I wasn't meaning that, I was meaning that.
This one. I know that one.
Yeah, that's just a bicycle. But that's a little French thing.
Ah, that one. That one.
That's an ice cream.
It's a small. No?
Yeah, this thing is one of the, it's, you see them in France and that, and places like, you know, France, Italy, that kind of thing, and they go around the little narrow streets delivering things.
Yeah. Okay, so
But
cute.
it runs like a motorbike engine, you know? So it runs like a motorbike, you see? It's got handlebars instead of a steering wheel.
Yeah.
So it's a bit like a trike.
Nice.
But because they've
And
got
here
narrow
also.
streets in those countries, you can get through the streets
Yeah.
and do your deliveries. Lots of cafes and bars and things, isn't there?
Yeah.
Just watch you don't trip over something and then fall over the edge.
Yes, sir. My love, can we? Excuse.
What?
We'll buy a boat like this. No?
In the Philippines, you can have a look at it.
But this one's still mahal.
And I keep telling you, though, boats are expensive. Everything that happens to it, you know, if it breaks down, it's expensive. Parts
Yeah.
are expensive.
The castle over there.
Well, I think it's like a gatehouse.
Ah, that
Or
one
it would
there?
have been. You know, it might be what's left of. I don't know. And technically, I think I have been here before, but
You?
yeah, because my mum used to live not far from here,
Yeah.
and she used to come here and that. So I think I've been with her once, but I don't remember.
How you pronounce that? Hippodrome. Hippodrome.
Hippodrome.
Hippodrome. This one is the hotel. Maybe. No?
Yeah, looks like it.
The fish and chips there. Their fish is in the box there.
Yeah, you gotta get one of those fish that the birds have been pecking at.
Yeah, the birds speaking.
Covered in batter. You'd be like, oh, this fish looks like it's got holes in it. Yeah.
Yeah. What's this? Charger?
What's that?
It's a charge.
It's just for getting power to the boats and things.
Nice. Smell the fish.
Fish merchant, so you can buy your fresh fish.
Here. Yeah. That's why they carrying the bag with the fish, no?
Boxes, yeah.
Boxes. Wait.
You're filming the birds out on the dish.
So many boats here.
The Contented Soul.
Is it a pub?
I would think so, yeah.
Restaurant?
It's a play on words, obviously, isn't it? Because, you know, soul as in your soul, but also soul as in fish.
There is a store there, my love. Oh, for the fish, no?
Yeah.
We
You
can buy fresh fish,
Yeah.
seafood. The flag, oh. Scotland. Is it the
Yeah.
flag?
Yeah. Another one.
Oh, my love.
Feed the seagulls, 5 bits £3, 10 bits £5. So they give you
Fresh
bits
local
of
seafood.
fish, and then you can throw it for the birds.
Oh. at the wave. Wave.
You see like a motorhome, not motorhome, a caravan home that way. Want to go up there and come back, or are you just going to go down there?
Can go lang. The one we did.
Huh?
Not here. Ay, what's that? The hero. Ay,
The,
what you call?
oh,
what
was
you
it
call
called?
that? The
Oh, I can't remember what it's called now.
the bird. The bird with.
Not a heron, but it's
Not
something.
a heron.
What did they say it was?
We forgot na the one that bird. What's that name? Oh no. That they will wait for the fish.
Yeah.
Will come.
Well, he's drying his wings again. Isn't
What do you call that? Oh, forgot
Can't
man.
remember.
So many here. Oh, the seaweed now. The birds over there. There. You think? What we live? In my tongue.
Yeah, I know. It's on mine as well. That's what Filipinos say when it's on the tip of your tongue. They say
In your
it's
tongue.
in my tongue.
It's in my tongue. So you will search. The forgot.
It could be black heron, which they call an egret.
Yeah, but it's not the one you said that
Yeah, I
you
know.
said always to me. That bird.